Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. This is such a good one for you. You're gonna be so impressed with this. Okay, Miracle Whip mayonnaise, something oil-based is gonna help you remove scratches. Let me just show you. Do you see this one right here? We're gonna make this one disappear. Before we do that, we're literally moving tomorrow, so my house is in a complete state of chaos. Over Thanksgiving, my aunt was here and she had her crock pot, and one of the little tabby things scratched the bottom of this countertop, and I said, let's get the mayo out. I heard this works, and it was right around here, and it worked amazing, so that I don't have to worry about the new homeowners of this house dealing with this. So we're gonna take care of this one right here. And and the reason I share this with you as well is not only does it work well, it has held up. It didn't just cover the blemish, and the next day the white showed through. So just take your mayo like this. This is kind of gross, but I'm telling you, you are gonna impress your entire family if you have scratches on something. So you're just gonna take your mayo and you're gonna rub it in. You're gonna massage the mayo into your scratch on your countertop or whatever surface that you are working with, okay? We're gonna let that sit for just, I don't know, we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna wipe it clean, and you're gonna be impressed. If you hear crunching in the background, it's just my husband and son here eating the remains of whatever's left in our house. All right, so let's go ahead and buff this out here and see if we can see the scratch line. Amazing. Amazing, my friend. Let me know if you have tried this method before. Oil, mayo, this works perfectly well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now, which is what happens when you dump washing powder, one of my favorite methods, down your toilet. Sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.